Hey everybody, YTG here. So just wanted to share how I took this trade on ICT order block strategy. Okay, so what I did is I draw this vertical line at 9:30 New York time, okay, and I draw this support line below these uh, swing lows before 9:30, okay. So now I waited for this low to get taken, and here you can see these lows got taken and the next candle closed above it. So this is order block. I have already shared it in my other video. So whenever an order block forms, what you do is you wait for the pullback, and then you get an entry, okay, with your stop loss below the swing low, and your target is swing highs or fair value gaps. Right now I am targeting this fair value gap. It might go up even more, but I'm not risking it here because Bitcoin is in a free fall. So this is how I took this trade. I hope it's useful. Thank you.